This free video is brought to you by the Team Topologies Academy. Our goal is to help organizations become more effective and more humane. If you find this video helpful, we would love for you to check out and recommend our Academy content.
In the early 2000s, Microsoft released a brand new operating system called Windows Vista, which promised to introduce a modern and slick design along with improved security features. However, Vista users also got reduced machine performance due to the new visual effects, high battery drain, along with misunderstanding of certain security features. Although Vista stayed around for a decade and a half, it was never loved by users. A poor user experience can make or break a product. Most companies are not Microsoft and likely would not have withstood a fiasco like Vista. An opposite example is Docker, the engine that popularized containers, lightweight packages of code and all dependencies that can run on any operating system with Docker installed. Docker started as a thin layer gluing together pre-existing Linux functionalities like namespaces and control groups. What Docker did was create abstractions resulting in much simpler usage and seamless workflows for developers to work with containers when compared to the raw functionality previously available. Adam Jacob, CEO at the System Initiative and co-founder of Chef, once said, "Docker was a transformational user experience, one that remains unmatched today." We also know from the countless successful SaaS cloud products that a strong focus on ease of use, simple yet modern design, and a frictionless onboarding experience can be market differentiators. Now, when we're developing internal products like an engineering platform, users are inevitably going to have expectations for the platform experience set by what they've encountered on those SaaS offerings like GitHub, Google Cloud, and so on. Camille Fournier, head of platform engineering at Two Sigma, points out that the hardest part of the product side of platform engineering is figuring out usability. And she suggests dogfooding can help platform teams empathize with the platform users and understand the issues they face using the platform. At HelloFresh, platform teams borrowed a UX technique called empathy maps. They realized a deeper understanding of customers was needed to establish empathy and understand their key frustrations and pain points. An empathy map is a collaborative visualization used to articulate what we know about a particular type of user. Empathy maps allow a deeper understanding of the user personas we saw earlier, including a view on what they say openly, what they might be thinking but don't want to verbalize for some reason, what they do, and what they feel about the platform experience. Humans are complicated and unpredictable, and their actions are not always consistent with what they say. Awareness is critical for the platform team. In short, attention to the user or developer experience is no longer a nice to have. Instead, it's a critical aspect of any product, including internal platforms.